Today we will be discussing the quote functionality of your Compass Wave tool. The quote tool is the internal use version of the estimate tool. For example, if someone calls or emails you requesting a quick quote, you can simply navigate down to the quote tool, fill out information on behalf of your customer, and produce a quick and easy quote. Make sure to include the Send Customer Email module in Form Pages to ensure the customer gets an email copy of the quote. Easy as that. You can always refer back to the quote in the Prospect section. Until next time.